Welcome to Choose Well. This leaflet covers the South Eastern Health and Social Care Trust area.
Did you know there are a range of healthcare services available to help you find the right care? In this leaflet, we tell you about self-care, pharmacy, GP, minor injuries unit, emergency department, and 999. Make sure you choose well, get the right treatment for you, and help manage your health service resources. For more information, visit www.nidirect.gov.uk/choosewell.
Choose Well for expert help and advice. Self-care. Self-care is the best choice to treat minor illnesses, ailments and injuries. A range of common illnesses and complaints, such as aches and pains, coughs, colds, upset stomachs and sore throats, can be treated with over-the-counter medicines and plenty of rest. Remember, whether treated or not, most of these will get better. Some self-care essentials. The following are available to buy over the counter: paracetamol, aspirin, ibuprofen, rehydration mixtures, indigestion remedies, plasters and thermometers. Always follow the instruction on the pack.
Your local pharmacy. Your local pharmacist can provide confidential, expert advice and treatment for a range of common illnesses and complaints without you having to wait for a GP appointment or go to your emergency department. Check with your local pharmacy for more details. Remember, collect repeat prescriptions from your daytime GP surgery before the weekend or a public holiday. GP out of hours will only provide repeat prescriptions in exceptional circumstances. More information. Details of pharmacy rotas in your local area are published online at www.nidirect.gov.uk/choosewell.
Your GP. GPs provide a range of services, including medical advice, examinations, prescriptions, and ongoing care for more long-standing or chronic conditions. Out of hours. GP out of hours is available if you require urgent medical care when your GP surgery is closed. GP out of hours services operate from 6 p.m. each weekday evening until your GP surgery opens the next morning, and 24 hours on Saturdays, Sundays and public holidays. Remember to telephone the service first. The doctor or nurse will give you advice over the telephone, decide if you need to be seen by a doctor, or will refer you to another service if required. Your GP surgery will have the contact details for your area. More information. Urgent GP out-of-hours care can be found by contacting your local GP surgery, and also online at www.nidirect.gov.uk/choosewell. GP out of hours. Phone first. Downpatrick and Lisbon. Telephone 028 9260 2204. Operates from 6 p.m. to 8 a.m. each weekday evening and 24 hours on Saturdays, Sundays and public holidays. And Newtonards, telephone 028 9182 2344. Operates from 6 p.m. to 8:30 a.m. each weekday evening and 24 hours on Saturdays, Sundays and public holidays.
Minor injuries unit. A minor injuries unit can treat injuries that are not critical or life-threatening, such as injuries to upper and lower limbs, broken bones, sprains, bruises and wounds, bites, human, animal and insect, burns and scalds, abscesses and wound infections, minor head injuries, broken noses and nosebleeds, and foreign bodies in the eyes and nose. More information. If you or a child over 5 years old suffers a minor injury, you can go to one of the following minor injuries units: Bangor Community Hospital, Castle Street, Bangor, BT20 4TA. Telephone 028 9147 5120. Opening hours 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day, except Christmas Day. and Ards Community Hospital, Church Street, Newton Ards, BT 23 4AS. Telephone 028 9151 0110. Opening hours, Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Closed weekends and Christmas Day.
Emergency Department. Emergency departments provide the highest level of emergency care for patients, especially those with sudden and acute illness or severe trauma. Use the service appropriate to your need. You can get more information from emergency departments, which are open every day. Emergency departments in your area: Ulster Hospital, Newton Ards Road, Dundonald, Belfast, BT 16 1RH. Telephone 028 9048 4511. Opening hours 24 hours a day. Lagan Valley Hospital, 39 Hillsborough Road, Lisbon, Antrim, BT 28 1JP. Telephone 028 9266 5141. Opening hours 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And Down Hospital, 2 Struhl Wells Road, Downpatrick, BT 30 6RL. Telephone 028 4461 3311. Opening hours 8 a.m. to 10 p.m.
999. You should always call 999 if someone is seriously ill or injured and their life is at risk.
Choose well and be prepared. The information in this leaflet will help you find the right expert care to meet your needs. Picking the service most appropriate to your symptoms means you get the right treatment in the right place. For more information, go to www.nidirect.gov.uk/choosewell.
For the very young, the over 65s and all people with long-term health issues, the cold weather can contribute to serious health problems. The good news is that by following a few tips, you can give yourself the best possible chance of staying well. Get your free flu jab. Remember, if you're over 65, pregnant, or with a long-term health problem, you can get a free seasonal flu vaccination from your GP. In addition, this year the vaccine will be offered to children aged 2 and 3 years and to those in school year primary 6. For more information about the flu vaccine, visit www.fluawareni.info.
Recover properly. If you do catch a cold or flu, make sure you stay at home, drink plenty of fluids and rest. Eat if you feel able to, and let a friend or neighbour know you are ill.
Stop things spreading. To prevent the spread of germs to others, catch coughs and sneezes in a tissue, and regularly wash your hands with soap and warm water.
Stay warm. Keep room temperature warm and comfortable. Have regular hot drinks and hot meals that include fruit and vegetables.
Health and Social Care is committed to making information as accessible as possible and to promoting meaningful engagement. Requests for this leaflet in another format or language will be considered. This leaflet is available in other Health Trust areas across Northern Ireland. The information in this leaflet is provided as an information resource only and is not to be used or relied on for any diagnostic or treatment purposes. All information is correct at time of recording. If you are concerned about your medical condition, you should seek medical advice from your GP